Today, we're going to take a look at how to create an animated GIF right in PowerPoint 365. We'll first look at how to create a simple animated GIF from PowerPoint slides, such as this flying well. I am on my PC and I have Microsoft PowerPoint open. You can see that I have a slide with a stop sign. I use dark red, yellow, and green on the stoplight. Next to the light, I created 3 circles of brighter colors of red, yellow, and green. When I go up to the Format menu and go down to Shape Effects, I also added a glow to each of the colors. Let's now duplicate slide number 1 2 more times. So we're going to come up here and we're just duplicate once. And one more time. Now we're going to go into each slide and add the color to, for example, we're going to go to slide number 1 and we're going to add the red color. And then we don't need these other 2 colors. We're going to get rid of those. Go to slide number 2. We're going to add the yellow. And once again, we're going to get rid of the colors we don't need. And on the 3rd slide, we're going to add the green. And move it up here. There we go. And get rid of the other 2 colors. Now let's go into presentation view. And we can see our slides a little bit better. I can see I have to come back up to the green, bring it up a little bit. And over. Let's go back in the presentation view. That looks good. And if we go up on our slides, we can see we have our colors. So there's slide number 1, 2, 3. And that's the way our GIF is going to look like when we create it. It's going to just automatically go through the colors. Our next step is to add another slide, a blank slide. And we're on number 3. We'll go up and add a new slide. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create our GIF. Let's go up to File. Let's go to Export. Let's go Create an Animated GIF. And we see our first selection is to determine the size of file we want. Extra large, we can go to 1080p at 24 frames per second. Large is 720 at 24 frames. Medium is down to 450 at 15 frames per second. And small is 240 at 15 frames per second. We're going to pick large. And now our next choice is to make a background transparent. We really don't care about that right now. And so we're going to move down to our next one, which is the time spent on a slide. We're going to bring that down to 0.50. And slides. We have 4 slides. The one slide, remember, is blank. That's number 4. So we only want to animate or turn into a GIF 3 slides. So we're going to go up here and do 3. And so we got 1 of 3 slides. And now we're going to create our GIF. It's going to ask us where we want to put it. Okay, we're going to call this stoplight and save it. Now we're going to go back up and we're going to import it and put it into this slide. We're not going to import it, we're actually going to do place picture. So we go up to Insert, Picture, this device. Okay, we've imported our GIF on slide 3 and you can see it's operating. And this will continue to cycle until we leave that slide. As soon as we leave the slide, it stops. So this is how you create an animated GIF. Let's say we're talking about a new exhibit for a trade show and you're giving a presentation about it. Here's the exhibit. Kind of boring, but if we add our 2 animated GIFs, and it becomes more interesting. This is the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button. And here's another video about animated GIFs you might want to watch.